this project is a speech recognition for our browser search engine. Whatever I'm speaking, it will use my local Google Chrome browser and it will search it and give an result. I'm going to run this. So it is going to give the result here. Amazon.in. Now see, I have said Amazon.in. What happened is, so by using that speech recognition, it is getting my voice and taking that as a source and searching it in my Google Chrome browser. Again, let me try. I'm going to run it. Facebook.com. Yes, it is recognizing and it is loading to the Facebook. So this is our output. Within a less number of code we can get it.